Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this trending carousel in Canva. I opened a new project, scrolling down to the apps, searching for carousel. We need this Carousel Studio, this application, and here is it opened. Here we can add the topic. I just quickly do it. And we can choose the number of slides. We can choose the themes. Here, see all. I already created one for myself. We can add the, click on it. We can choose the colors, heading fonts. We can choose different font types. Also the body font. We can choose between the different type of icons. Also the arrows, curved, swipe button, footer, and we also can add the image. We can choose between line art, photorealistic, or 3D. I choose 3D. And same as new theme, canvateacher 2. But I cannot create because I can save only one. So I will choose what I already created, and here just generate the outline. So as you can see, the outline is created. So here is the content, and the system tells me I use 8 out of these 10 Carousel Studio credits. Then we can create a design. So I just click on it and ask for waiting for the final outcome. So here you can see the final outcome. You can see it in this one is just a first slide, which was done for every project. So this is, as you can see, already the images added like in a real carousel. It's really nicely done. And actually this application create everything for us. So that's a pretty cool application. We can use it for create our carousels really quickly. Nice, easy to use. This is already done. We have 5 additional credits when we are signing. So it's also not a bad thing. We are now have 2 credits, Carousel Studio credits left, but refreshing in every 9 days. So that's this is also a nice thing to have it free tokens almost in every week. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit a small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you're struggling anything on a Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.